Hello everyone, myself R. Praneeth from Basveshwar Engineering College from CS department. This is the simple code in Java which calculate the coefficient of correlation and regression lines equation, that is y on x and x on y. As we know all the procedure and the formula to find out the coefficient of correlation, that is r equal to n into sigma xy minus sigma x into sigma y divided by square root of n into sigma x square minus sigma x whole square into n into sigma y square minus sigma y whole square. And this is the simple code which demonstrates the same. And first of all, we giving the input, that is the x and y values, and through x dot length we will find out the number of values to calculate the sum of x, sum of y, and these are the variables we will use. In sum of x we will store this sum of all these x values, and in sum y we will store all this sum of y values, and in sum xy we will store the sum of multiplication of x and y, and in sum x2 we store sum of power of x values, and in sum y2 we store the sum of power of y values. And this is the for loop which will calculate all this, which we iterate from 0 to the number of values and this is the code. And next we are finding coefficient of correlation. As we know the formula, we are writing the equation here with the sum xy already we have calculated here. So after the calculation the value will be stored in R. And in the regression line, as we know, y on x is y equal to byx plus ayx, and x on y x equal to bxy and axy. Here we are finding the four values, that is byx to our known formula, and ayx through this formula, and byx through this formula, and axy through this formula. And finally we are printing the result, that is coefficient of correlation, regression line, and y on x and x on y. Let's run this code. This is the output. I have checked in manually. If you have doubt, then once you calculate manual and check this result. Thank you.